We have division, decimal numbers. How we do this? First, we have to check our divisor. Divisor cannot be decimal number. We have 0.8, so we need to move decimal point one place, one digit, and whatever we did with our divisor, we have to do the same with our dividend. So we move one decimal place to the right, our decimal point. So what else? We have 0.8 now. We don't have to write 0 before 8 because this is 8 only. Whole number. So now we have to do long division. We have 8, our divisor, and our dividend is 6, 7, decimal point 8, 9, 2. How we do this long division? The same like we do division of whole numbers. So we have to check how many times 8 goes to 67. 8. And now we do multiplication. 8 times 8 is 64. Next, subtraction. 7 minus 4 is 3. 6 minus 6 will be 0. We don't have to write. Next, what we have to do? We have to take up decimal point exactly in the same column. And we take down next digit. So it will be 38. How many times 8 goes to 38? 4 times. So solution we write always on the top. So 4. And now we have to again do multiplication. 4 times 8 is 32. Subtraction. 8 minus 2 is 6. 3 minus 3 is 0. We don't have to write. And next again we have to take next digits down. So it's 9. So we have 69. How many times 8 goes to 69? 8. So on the top we write answer, and now again we have to do multiplication. 8 times 8 is 64. Subtraction. 9 minus 4 is 5. 6 minus 6 is 0. We don't have to write. We have to take next digit down. So it will be now 52. And what else? Because we need to round to the nearest hundredth. Hundredth is the second digit after decimal point. And when we need to round to nearest hundredth, we need 1 extra digit. So we need 3 digits after decimal point. Now we have 2 only, so we have to still do long division. Now how many times 8 goes to 52? 6. Solution we write on the top. So 6 times 8 is 48. Subtraction. So we have to borrow 1 from 5. So will be 4. And we have 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Like I said, because we need to round to the nearest hundredth, we need 3 digits after decimal point. We now have 486. So we don't have to do any more long division. We can stop at that moment. Let me rewrite our number. We have 8 decimal point 486. Because we need to round our solution to the nearest hundredth, so we need to underline our hundredth. It's the second digit after decimal point. And now we have to check the digits after our underlined digits. Is 6. When we have number greater than 5 or 5, all we have to do, we have to add 1 to our underlined digits. And now every digit after our underlined digits we have to change to 0. So 6 we have to change to 0. And now we have to do addition. 8 plus 1 is 9. And whatever we have before our underlined digits, we have to copy. So 4 decimal point 8. So our solution will be 8 decimal point 49.